Listen, I know exactly how it feels to be staring at your bank account at the end of the month and thinking, where did all my money go? And worse, wondering how you're going to stretch it until next paycheck. Here is the thing. In the last 30 days, I made over 100,000 naira. Yes, 100,000 naira from side hustles I started with little to no capital. And guess what? You can too. Hello, Wet Farm, and welcome back to Wealth with Doris, where every penny counts. On this channel, we build wealth together and turn pocket change into power moves. If you're ready to build your money in a smart way that will bring you closer to financial freedom, this channel is the right place for you. If you're new to this channel, please click the subscribe button and hit the like button so you don't miss on the tips I post. Thank you. I want to put up a disclaimer here. I'm not a financial advisor. These videos are for educational purposes only. No official financial advice is being given. Please always check with a professional before making any financial decisions. Your investments are your sole responsibility. These videos merely share my own opinion with no guarantee of gain or losses. I'm not talking about lottery, okay, or some shady double your money in 24 hours nonsense. I'm not talking about any other thing apart from real legit ways to make money online, even if you are having just $10 or 5,000 naira. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it and walk you through 5 side hustles you can start today to boost your income. And I promise you, number 5 is something that most people overlook, but it might actually be the easiest for you to start right now. So grab your pen, maybe your cup of tea, and let's make sure by this time next month, you're smiling at your bank alert instead of avoiding them. Okay, quick story time. A few months ago, I was feeling stuck. Bills were piling up, school fees were staring at me, and I realized if I kept relying on just one side source of income, I would always be playing catch up. So I decided to challenge myself. 30 days, multiple streams of income, starting with almost nothing. I made a list of skills I already had, things I enjoyed doing, and gaps I noticed around me that people would pay to have solved. And instead of overthinking, I picked one, then another, just started. The first week was slow, I won't lie. I questioned myself so many times, but week 2, things started picking up. By the end of the month, I had made over 100,000 naira, a mix of small wins that added up fast. That's when I realized you don't need to be a millionaire to think like one. You just need to take consistent action and treat side hustles like a business. And that's exactly what I want to show you now. Side hustles you can start, how to start them, and how to actually make money from them even if you're starting small. My number 1 side hustle is freelancing. If you have any skill at all, writing, graphic design, video editing, social media management, even voiceovers, there are people out there willing to pay you for it. Here is how I started. I listed my services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, LinkedIn, and the rest of them. I joined Facebook groups and WhatsApp communities where small business owners hang out. Now, instead of saying I can do everything, I offered 1 or 2 services and got really good at them. So I offered simple social media post designs for 3,000 naira each. In my first week, I got 4 orders. That's like 12,000 from just Canva designs. Listen, if you don't have a skill, don't panic. You can learn basic freelancing skills for free on YouTube in just a few days. The demand is huge, especially from businesses that want to be online but don't know how to handle content. So freelancing is one of the fastest way to start earning because you can start today, even with just your phone. My number 2 side hustle is product reselling. This one is so underrated. You don't have to own a factory to sell your product. You can start reselling. Here is how I did it. I found a popular in-demand items on WhatsApp status, Instagram, and the local market. I negotiated bulk prices or wholesale rates. I took nice clean pictures and started posting daily on my WhatsApp status and Instagram stories. So I started with Ankara scarves, bought each for like 800 naira and sold for 1,500. Sold 20 pieces. In less than 2 weeks, I made 14,000 naira profit. So you can start without stocking items by doing a drop shipping. You can buy the product after you get the order. This reduces your risk and upfront cost. So product reselling works in Nigeria and globally. And with social media, you can reach more people without owning a physical store. My number 3 side hustle is content creation for businesses. Here is something I wish more people knew. You don't need to be an influencer to make money from content creation. I realized so many small businesses wanted to post on social media, but didn't have the time or the skill. So I offered to create simple videos and graphics for them. This is how I did it. I picked one niche like the food vendors, fashion brands, salons. I offered them a package, for example, 10 photos plus 5 videos for 20,000 per month. Deliver consistently and watch word of mouth bring you more clients. Those people you work with, they will recommend you to their colleagues too that want someone to create content for them. I helped a small Abuja food business post 3 times a week. They paid me 25,000 for 1 month and it took me less than 6 hours of work per week. Now, so even if you don't have a fancy camera, you start your smartphone is enough. Good lighting, clear audio equals to great results. So businesses will pay you for content because it helps them attract more customers. This side hustle is growing fast and it will grow in 2025. My number 4 side hustle is online tutoring and digital classes. You know that subjects or skill people are always asking you to explain. That's a money maker. I realized I could use my knowledge, in my case, basic finance tips and small business strategies to help others. And the best part, you can do it without even leaving your house. Here is how to start. Pick a subject you're good at. It could be maths, English, cooking, sewing, photography, farming, literally anything people want to learn. Decide whether you will teach kids, adults, or both. You can use your Zoom, Google Meet, or even WhatsApp video calls to deliver your lessons. Example, a friend of mine teaches kids English via Zoom from her living room. She charges 3,000 per child per class. With 10 students a week, that's 30,000 naira, and she teaches only on Saturdays. Record your lessons and sell them later as an online course. That way you make money even while sleeping. Tutoring and digital classes are perfect if you want flexible hours and a skill-based income that grows over time. So my number 5 side hustle is affiliate marketing and passive income. This is the one I told you earlier that most people overlook. Affiliate marketing. It's where you promote someone else's product or services and you get a percentage for each sale made through your link. Here is how I started. Sign up on platforms like Partner, Amazon Associates, and Jumia Affiliates. Choose products I actually liked and believe in. Created short, helpful videos, blog posts, and social media posts about those products. I once promoted a digital course on Partner. I sold 10 copies at 10,000 naira each, earning 50% commission. That's 50,000 naira for simply connecting the right audience to the right product. To combine this with side hustle number 3, content creation, when you create valuable content, you can slip in affiliate links naturally. So affiliate marketing can start small but grow into a real passive income stream, meaning you can keep earning long after the work is done. Now let's quickly recap the 5 side hustles which you can start today. Our number 1 is the freelance services. Sell your skills online. Our number 2 is the products reselling. Buy low, sell high, or use drop shipping. The number 3 is content creation for businesses. Create posts, photos, and videos for brands. Number 4 is online tutoring and digital classes. See what you know from anywhere. Our OG, the affiliate marketing, earn commissions promoting other people's products. Now here is the truth. Knowing these side hustles won't change your life. Starting one of it today will. When I first began, I was scared, unsure, and yes, I made mistakes. But every single naira I made gave me the confidence to keep going, and I want the same for you. If you start today, in 30 days, you could be looking at your first 20,000 naira or 50,000 naira, maybe even 100,000 naira, and the best of it is you will know how to repeat it every single month. So here is the challenge. Pick one side hustle from this video and commit to working on it for the next 30 days. I want you to come back to this video in a month and comment how you made it. If you found this video helpful, give it a like so more people can find it. Subscribe to Wealth with Doris because next week I'm dropping a video on passive income videos that work from Nigeria and anywhere in the world. And trust me, you don't want to miss that. Share this video with someone who's been complaining about money but hasn't started anything yet. Remember, your financial freedom starts with small, consistent steps. And if I can do it, you definitely can too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.